Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the pin on the Huawei Band 8. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the watch's home screen to open the control panel. Then tap the settings cog to open the settings. Scroll down the settings and tap pin. In the pin settings, tap Change Pin. Now enter your current pin. Then enter your new pin. And then enter your new pin a second time to confirm. Your watch's pin has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei Band tips and tricks.